Hi guys, welcome to MH Academy. In this video, we are understanding the concept called as utility, that is its concept, meaning, types and approaches of utility. Let's begin with the introduction part of the utility. See, the concept of utility was introduced in economic thoughts by Jevons in 1871. Utility is the want satisfying power or a capacity of a commodity in general sense. In economic sense, utility is a psychological phenomena. It is a feeling of a consumer that he is satisfied, right? And utility differs from person to person, place to place, and from time to time. Then, the want satisfying power or the capacity of a commodity at a point of time is known as utility. Next, the types of utility. There are four different types of utility. First one is the form utility. If a commodity satisfies a consumer by its shape, color, size is known as form utility. For example, conversion of wood log into the chair or table. See, when the wood log is there, it does not provide any satisfaction. When it is converted into chair or table or any furniture, it gives an form utility. Next comes the place utility. When goods acquire utility with the change of their place is known as place utility. For examples, vegetables at the point, that is production point, has no utility, but when they are brought to the market, they gain utility. What type of utility they gain? Place utility. Next comes the time utility. Goods acquire additional utility because of time. For examples, ice creams and cold drinks have more utility in summer season, right? Next is the service utility. Services also have the ability to satisfy human wants. For example, teaching. Teaching of a good teacher directly helps a student to build his career. This is known as service utility. Next comes the approaches to utility. There are two different approaches to utility. First one is the cardinal utility. Cardinal means measurable. This approach has been developed by the Alfred Marshall, and utility is measurable in terms of units called as utils. The utility derived from the consumption of goods can be expressed in terms of numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next comes the ordinal utility. J.R. Hicks and R.J.D. Allen has used this approach, and ordinal utility means utility cannot be measurable but can be compared by giving ranks. The utility obtained by the consumer from the different commodities can be arranged in a serial order such as first, second, third and so on. Let's understand total and marginal utility. Total utility is the overall utility derived by consuming the total amount of commodity. In other words, total utility is the total amount of satisfaction which we get after consuming all the units of the all is nothing but the total number of commodity or the units of. For example, there are 3 units with their respective utility. Total utility means utility derived from first unit, second unit and third unit, which is equals to 90 in this example. Next comes the marginal utility. Marginal utility is the additional utility derived by consuming an additional commodity. Marginal utility is equals to change in total utility by change in quantity consumed. Hope you have understood the utility, its types, approaches and total and marginal utility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.